He was trapped in waist-deep snow during a deadly blizzard and began to freeze. A woman inside her home heard his desperate pleas. Without hesitation, she and her boyfriend ventured into the storm to rescue him. They brought him inside, using a hairdryer to warm his frozen clothes and treating his severe frostbite. They called 911, but emergency services couldn't reach them due to the blizzard. Desperate for help, she started a Facebook live stream pleading for rescue. As his situation grew dire, thousands watched but no help arrived. Local residents saw her message and braved the treacherous conditions to reach them. They transported the man to the hospital where he began to recover.